In this video, we will show you how to install the belt assembly on the FMP780. First, place the bottom taper hub inside of a pulley. Start the taper hub bolts. Place the keys in the keyways of the bottom and top shaft and slide on the bottom pulley and taper hub. Place the top taper hub in the pulley and start the taper hub bolts. Then grab the belt and put it around the bottom and top pulley before sliding the top taper hub onto the shaft. Align the pulleys as best as you can using a straight edge. Then go around and slightly tighten the taper hub bolts. Using a straight edge, verify again that the pulleys are aligned. With a torque wrench, torque the taper hub bolts to 108 inch-pounds since they are 1/4 inch bolts. And once again, make sure that the pulleys are still aligned. They should be aligned within 1/4 of an inch. If you need to realign one of the pulleys, you'll need to take one of the taper hubs off again, and in order to do that, remove the taper hub bolts, start them in these holes, go around in a circle and tighten them bit by bit until the taper hub pops out. Before installing the taper hub again, make sure you sand the ends of the bolts to prevent stripping threads. Then make sure to tighten the set screws on the taper hubs, which is not shown in the video. In order to keep the gearbox level when lifting it to tighten the belt, put a level on the gearbox shaft. Go back and forth, tightening the bolts on either side of the gearbox until the belt tension has 1/2 inch deflection at 4¼ pounds of force for a new belt, or 1/2 inch deflection at 3 pounds of force for a used belt. Then check the level on the shaft, and then put it on the frame. Make sure that the level matches. If it doesn't, then adjust the bolts on either side until it matches. Lastly, tighten these securing bolts.